gonna stay at the airport until morning. So I got some snacks. Yeah, so that should keep us until the morning. Ooh. So this is Terminal 3 and here is where we're gonna stay until the morning, because Terminal 1 and 2, I think we're boarding from Terminal 2 or 1, but those are closed because those are domestic flight areas. So the international terminal, which is Terminal 3, that's open. Alright, so here's empty and I don't know where the peeps are. I need to call, but yeah, this is what Corona caused, an empty airport. 2 a.m. and your girl is tired. Jesus. Ugh, tired. Just a few more hours to go. The weather is not good today. It's not good at all. We landed safely to Tottori airport. Now we're gonna take a taxi and try to check into the hotel before the check-in time. So hopefully they allow us to do so. So we made it to Tottori safely and all. We went to the hotel to put on our bags, but the check-in is at 3 p.m. and it's now 9:30 a.m. so we're gonna try and find like somewhere to chill for the day. Yeah, chill for a few hours, probably get something to eat and just kill time until 3 o'clock, because if we try to check in earlier you have to pay 1,000 yen. Anyways, so we made it to the castle ruins. It was like a major castle. A major castle in Japan? Yeah. These are in Japanese.
There was something special about this castle.
A whole bunch of Japanese stuff, all in Japanese. Outside looks nice. This reminds me of Anipama's thing. Anipama in St. Anne. Yeah, like outside the lawn area. That's what it reminds me. And the white house here.
Furniture set. Like very complex. Geometry set. No?
What, this room?
Yeah. Style. Giving Titanic. Turn of the century. The wallpaper seem better days.
We had to change our shoes and put on inside shoes, which was expected. The bedroom, okay. We're not allowed in the bedroom, I see. I wonder if these furnitures are from their time or they just added it in to give it like a nice look. How do you know this samurai?
You don't know Samurai X?
No, I don't. I only know Yosuke, the black samurai.
This character, Kenshin. He used to, I think he used to come on TVJ too.
Him?
Yeah.
This place is really huge. Very big in here.
This is where you would sit outside and write.
Wow.
The servants work in the backyard.
I rather not. I would say no, because these things doesn't even look strong.
And old. I like how Japanese gardens look. You know?
Yeah, with the water and
I
the...
like how they set up in gardens.
It's raining. It's raining.
The structure up on the hill, that's the castle.
So where are we now?
We're on the flat, so we're probably here because we came in through like a gate somewhere here and we passed something that looked like where the structure used to be.
Alright, let's go. I wonder what this sign says. Stop. Don't cross here. Anyways, we're going uphill. I don't know what's up there. I don't even know what this place is entirely. But I'm trying to learn today. I'm gonna probably research stuff and fill you guys in because history is not really my strong point. Oh hell no! I'm not going any further. I'll wait down here on you guys. Yeah. Yeah, wait here. Tired. I need to find somewhere to stay. Okay. Oh, we can stay here. I'm gonna just stay right here until they're ready because everything is in Japanese and I'm not familiar with this place. So I don't see the sense of going all the way up there and probably even more steps around the corner. I'm not understanding what am I looking at. I know there was a castle here that got ruined, but that's all I know. I've got to research this place so I can fill you guys in. But yeah, alright, I'm gonna go up because I've been here a while sitting and it's raining even harder, so might as well I just go see what's at the top. If only the rain would stop falling, man. Oh, you guys reach up there. What steps? Alright, let's see. Oh, I see it. I see the step. Look at the view of, I guess, the city. This place is kind of like rural. Yeah, I don't see many like hangout spots. But then again, I heard that it's the smallest prefecture. It has the smallest population in Japan. So that I need to research. I just came on this trip without any knowledge of this place. You know, that's bad. Whoa, okay. This is dark and scary. It's like I'm in the forest. Alright. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, even higher. This view is really nice. Ruins of the 3-story tower. Okay. Careful. That's the building that we were in just now. And over there, I guess, is where the onsens are. Natural, what should I say? Natural hot springs. Well, I guess it says from July 17th to August 29th. Maybe that's closed. I don't know Japanese. But we wanted to like check out this museum, but it's closed. So we're gonna go get some food instead, which is next to it. So maybe ramen and stuff. Okay. We stopped at this place. We're gonna get something to eat. If you want something to drink today, okay. Omelette rice looks nice. I think I need some ramen or something like that. I got roast beef and some soup. I really hope I enjoy this thing because it doesn't even look like it has been cooked. Well, let's hope it tastes good. I wish I got this because it looks so much better than my half-cooked beef. But the soup is good. I tasted it. Shoes have to be taken off. I thought this was a place where we could come and make something. It's just to look. Just to look at. what you're doing. So we have this iron board,
This trouser press.
and we're trying to use it to iron our clothes.
So you plug it in right there, and then you put your clothes on the plastic. You turn it on, it gets warm, and you press. So it does look like it's working-ish.
Is it anywhere hot?
Warm here.
Okay.
Press-ish. Guess this is probably the best it's gonna do. Maybe take the sleeve alone. Try to take the sleeve.
Can it be turned up any higher?
No, I don't see anything to gauge it.
Oh boy.
So I guess this is the best it can do.
Oh boy.
This is the best it's gonna get.
Okay.
It have less crush than before.
Hey y'all, so it's day number 2, and as you can see this with this helmet on my head, I'm gonna do sunboarding today for the very first time. The weather has gotten a lot better, so that's excellent. And we're gonna do a whole bunch of activities today. Hopefully the weather just continues to get better and better, so we can do those stuff. Yeah, I'm excited to do sunboarding, even though I'm not dressed for the occasion. Like, I didn't pack well for this trip, but it's all good. It's fine. Cool. Ooh, my hands are tired. My hand is good. So we gotta walk. My hands hurt. Your hand hurts? Yeah, this is heavy as hell. But I got the best looking snow on board. Sand. It's a good thing I didn't wear any slippers. Ooh, over there looks really nice. This reminds me, like right here, it reminds me of Jamaica. You know, the sky has really cleared up, which is perfect for us because then this would have been cancelled, and that would have been such a shame. Whew. Yeah, so we paid 3,500 to do sunboarding. Yeah. So this is another place that you guys can come to. This place is called Tottori. It's in the western part of Japan. So it's a nice little area, like very sandy and have a lot of beaches. So yeah. I'm way behind. I'm the only one at the back. Me will catch up. I'm here. They stopped to look at me. Look for me. Okay.
This hotel here is a national park, and many people sandboard sliding is very dangerous. No sandboarding area over there. Sandboard area. And sandboard area is a seaside. Front slope board. It's a no sliding.
Okay.
It's a hard slope.
Oh.
It's a straight road. And riding and walking up, very tired. Yeah.
I'm always at the back. Let me go catch up with these people. Ooh. Oh hell no.
It's so good. Okay.
Wow.
Next, for oh, the first. Okay. Slowly and brake. Brake. And first. Okay. Kick, start, and slowly. Are you okay?
Okay.
Ready, go.
Wow. That looks funny.
Are you okay?
Oh, like that. Oh.
Look down. No, look down. Look at person. And down. And keep your hand. Yes. And no hand. Good job. Starting the dancing. Dancing is a cross. Okay.
Okay.
Keep on your hand. Start and look at. Okay. Keep on your hand.
Funny.
Welcome back. Okay. Ready?
Oh, wait. No, to stop, I think.
Right. Okay.
Oh.
No problem.
Okay, can you go?
Ready?
No.
No.
Okay.
3, 2.
One, go! How was it?
Scary.
Oh, scary! Yeah, it's How was it?
Awesome.
Awesome! That's nice. Okay, how was it?
It was scary.
Scary!
I
And
got
maybe-
sun all over me.
It was so good.
Oh yeah, it was good.
Yeah. Are you ready? Three, two, one, go! Two, one, go!
Keep in your hand. Look up. Look up. Okay. Keep in your hand. Look up. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Keep in your hand. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. そのまま。
Go, go, go!
Okay, so what? Wait. So I do this.
Okay. Masih tidak?
Like this.
Yeah. Jangan look down.
Don't look up.
Look at it. Okay.
Alright, yeah.
Ready?
You can do it! You can do it! You can do it! Are you okay? That's so funny. I missed it.
finished sandboarding. Ooh, sand is in my hair. Alright y'all, so we've just finished sandboarding and we're gonna go get something to eat right now. We're hungry. We have sand everywhere on our bodies. Alright, so we stopped at this restaurant and this looks real Japanese-y. A real Japanese restaurant with all of these. So I think I'm gonna get, you know what this is? Oh, cow, maybe beef.
Yeah, beef.
But this looks like running belly, not a real. Alright, I think I'm gonna just get the beef curry and see. Chance for that, even though yesterday I had beef. Curry, beef. What did you get, Fiona?
Some kind of beef bowl with miso soup and pickled radish. Is this mushroom? Octopus, maybe, and salad.
Okay. I got shaved ice. What flavor is that?
Lemon.
Oh, okay. I got strawberry and I don't know what that is.
This is a red bean.
Red beans, okay. So she got same curry. Alright, let's dig in. Food time. We just finished eating and now we're gonna walk to the museum, the Sun Museum, which is about 5 minutes walk from where we are. And then afterwards we're gonna do paragliding. So I did paragliding in Shizuoka. I'm gonna do it again here. So that's 2 times in 1 week. And then afterwards camelback riding if we can, because I haven't booked that yet. And then I guess we'll see what other activities we can do in this area. They also have a lift, as you can see over there. So we plan on taking it because the taxi that we took earlier, the man actually got us tickets. And I think it's free though.
happiness you want?
I want a little fun, but you know I can't overdo the thing.
One for now,
Yeah,
one for tomorrow,
one forever.
one forever.
Next on Sachoney's Life.
Remember the mask is in your butt. Yona, you ready to go to sleep, eh?
Dip. 1, 2. Hands up. Banzai. 1.
Oh.